This looks nice. I'm going to be eating this. It's a French toast, bacon, egg, some berries, and mascarpone. Guys, I don't wanna go to my husband's plate. He's very hungry. He'll be angry at me. Meet hubby. Ebe ya on not. Yo guys, I'm so flipping late, right? So I'm meeting up with my friends. So it's already like 12. We're supposed to meet between 11 and 12, but I'm late. Yo, hi guys. So I'm not sure if I've opened the vlog or not, but let me just open it. Hi guys, and if you are existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, please do not leave without subscribing, right? So yeah, I just opened the new vlog. It's as if I'm this looks nice. Any Asian food, as long as it looks nice. So, Rita. Hi guys, una le stress. I get to sang. We get a stress. Una le stress. Come closer, say hello.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
My name is Kgantso. my name is Kgantso. Oh, look. Hi, Joe. No, I don't look good.
Because you were sick, friend.
Yeah, I know, but I don't
Okay,
look good.
this is Maggie.
Don't take photos of me.
Give us anybody stock fan.
Hello.
Rita, raise your hand. And that's Maria. And we are at Prison Break. Have a life. Mara, this is yours, G.
Yeah, it's nice. It's fine.
Yeah. Rita first. Eka. For one day. I don't know. Actually, Yapuza. Brain freeze. Vamos Kgantso, we lay out. I don't know what's with this painting, but I just love it. I don't know. Oye, me estoy cansando. Kgantso, ngwana o emetse, o mo lebetse.
1,000 years later.
To record content because I was having, you know, those emotional time one-on-one with Victoria, so I forgot to turn on camera and then take you through what they did to my skin. So I hope you can see the glow. We are fighting this skin thing. We are actually on the right track. Trust me guys, when I started my flare skin, I can't find my pictures. I want Victoria to just send me some. Check guys, the hyperpigmentation after that algae pure you can see there's a huge difference. I'm not sure if my lens is dirty or my glasses are dirty. Oh guys, skin. Anyways, let me know what's your very calm. We went to the one in Mall at Ritz. I keep on confusing it with the Ritz Mall at Ritz in Centurion because I was at Fleskin. And thank you V so much for taking me out. I needed that talk. Yeah, I appreciate you so much. So we bought Hagnali Victoria one thing. We're gonna be going for shopping, going to get some props. Guys, content creation is the end of us because I'm planning. Guys, please engage on my content. I am trying so two of these glasses. They look so pretty. I'm sure we're gonna be using them when we make smoothies. So the initial thing that made me want to go to the Valley Mart because I was looking for these. Yay, ufeditse ka ona rate di cereal for breakfast o tla porotse ngwanaka so ha fetsa dijo tsa hae o se ha yo di feditse a fetsa fela mpontsha ntho e empty hore yena o feditse. So also have this bottle. I wanted the big one. I wanted this size, so they didn't have, but I went for the smaller one. It will look nice. I get up my green juice. So now the people wanted mocktail, guys. They wanted some drink recipes on my Instagram. If you not follow me on my Instagram, please follow me at Eat with Kgantso. So yeah, I bought 2 of those. Guys, I've been buying two because it's only me and my husband who would actually drink this. And then it's for obviously content, so it's a 2, and then they come with a straw. I think the straw was provided. Oh, at least, and it's sure. So it's 2 for these and 2 for the other ones. Guys, on Friday I went to Hammanskraal. So and like this thing is a weekend vlog because Friday I went to Hammanskraal. I went home to fetch Kawane because I haven't seen her in like 2 weeks. That felt like a long time and I was not okay. And she was also not okay, and I was like I'm dizzy. My baby was so sick and I couldn't go. Like there was one thing that was hurting me that I couldn't just leave. These situations, I couldn't just leave the high, but I'm very grateful that my mom is still here, and I appreciate it so much. So yeah, and we bought this. It has a holder. We are ready, guys. We are ready for the drinks. Maybe I'll do something. I don't know. Right now, I'm gonna make breakfast for my parents because my dad and my mom are here. Like I'm saying, just gonna make them. What do they want? I don't know. They want anything, so I'll make omelette and a toast while I'm busy with laundry on the side. Thumbnail and nice more. It's gonna be such a good one. And I bought this tray. Okay, let me tell you the prices before I forget. Okay, the 550 ml, which is this one, it was going for 80 bucks, 79.99. Guys, don't sleep on it. Whoever is in Northgate, it does have value co, and the smaller one, because I bought 2, it's 2 of these. And these ones, the straw mugs, it's $39.99. We're gonna have some cold iced tea. And then these the bamboo tray, the tray, the bamboo tray. It's 64.99, and then the straw mug, the big one, because this one it's 600 mils. It's 79.99. Yay! No me dancing. Yeah, guys, and we can do the chakra. You busy come get our shiny. So, like, guys, yesterday I was definitely not in the mood to shoot content. I was in my emotions. I was in my feels, and of which is okay. I've learned it's okay not to be okay. I've learned it because a lot is going on in my life. It's so pity I cannot share right now, but I am hopeful. And after my talk with Victoria, there's light at the end of the tunnel. We're just gonna keep focusing, and one day I'll definitely share, and maybe that would actually help others. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna show you what my mom is doing, man. So she just decided to take a bucket. I don't know, it's a scar, guys. I wait, but so for la piece. What's on? On a energy. On a set of scar. Somebody calling Mara said, the car she did with us. Hey, bo. No, sir, that's I can't like it. Anyway, but get it cool.